I honestly thought when I woke up this morning that all of this might have been a dream. Walking around London today, buying this paper.
So that's the road up there. Yeah. And all these points are where you can't get through. So I want to
Oh, want to take a seat, Michael? Give me a second. What's that?
Camera.
That shouldn't be here. Can you switch it off?
I'm making a video diary for my girlfriend Sarah. I was involved in the Tavistock bombings, making a video diary for her.
The bombings?
Yes.
Is that how that happened?
Yes.
Where did they take you in?
King's Cross A&E.
Right. It's down your notes there. I'll tell you what, let's have a look at it. Just pop up on there.